I have some spinach and these really light broccoli. I'm going to put it in here. I have some tomato and some cut carrot. And a bowl of mixed vegetables that has long beans, peas, corn, and carrots. For smell and flavoring, we have some rosemary here that my birds like. You can put millet, you can put seeds, whatever your bird. But take a couple of leaves off and throw them in there. So we're gonna put this salad into our blender. I also have some wildflower honey, but make sure your honey does not have any added sugars if you were to put honey. Just put a drizzle of honey. Here is our amazing bird chop. It might take a little bit of while to stir up and stuff in the blender. And make sure your tub does not, give off dye, and same with the spoon. Use plastic. By the way, we got Karrie back. Lucky us. Just make sure your bird does not fly out of the window. Also, subscribe to my channel on the top right corner of this video. And right underneath that, there's a video for you to watch. Go check that out. Thank you. Bye.